Hello, how you doing? So I'm going to make this today. This is a beef curry, Kerala style. Kerala is down in the south of India. My favorite part for food, definitely, for sure, in fact. Think coconut, coconut, coconut. This is delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So the first thing we're going to look at are some spices here that we're going to add to our beef, and then we're going to pressure cook the beef to get it nice and tender. So let's have a look. So I have got here, are we ready? 1 tablespoon of lemon or lime juice, a tablespoon of coriander powder, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon turmeric, 2 teaspoons chili powder. I'm using a Kashmiri chili powder. Okay, so bowl, I've got a glove on, and you can see our beef here. A little bit of fat in there, nicely cubed. So I've got 1 kg or 2.2 pound. We're going to start off by dropping in a little bit of lemon or lime, 2 teaspoons chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, and 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. I'm going to go in, give that a mix. Then we're going to go to the pressure cooker, add some water to this, and get it cooked so it's nice and tender. So I've got my pressure cooker here, and the seasoned beef is inside. We're going to add water. It's about 2-3 cups there. We're going to get that on. We're going to let it go now. It's very difficult for me to tell you how long it's going to take because, one, the quality of the beef that you've used and the type of pressure cooker. So I'm going to put a lid on, and I'm going to go for about 15 minutes or so. Okay, so you can see that the beef is there. It's nice and tender now. And that's the water that it was cooked in. Don't throw that, we're going to need that. We've got 1 cup of onions, another tablespoon of garlic ginger, some curry leaves, 2 teaspoons of chili, 2 of coriander, and some fresh chili. So I've got 2 tablespoons of oil in there. I'm using a coconut oil, which is very Kerala, very. Down in the south in Kerala, think about coconut milk, coconut oil, cardamom, lovely spices come from down that part of India. In fact, it's probably my favorite part of India for cooking. Okay, we're heating that up. We're going to drop in those curry leaves. Again, a big thing in the south. We're going to add the 1 cup of onion. We're going to add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I'm going to add a little bit more salt right now. And we're going to throw this around for about 3 or 4 minutes on an above medium heat. We're also going to add some more pepper to this a bit later. And again, pepper is really southern or southern Indian. It's a big thing down there. Now, many people would cook their onions until they're really brown. I'm happy just like this. We're now going to take the beef, which is beautifully seasoned. I'm going to add fresh chili now. I mean, you can add it or not. It's up to you. And we're going to go for about another 4 minutes or so, stirring often. Beautiful, really beautiful. We're now going to add in 2 teaspoons of chili powder. I'm using Kashmiri chili powder in this one, and 2 of coriander. We're going to just mix this around, get it in there, and then we're going to be adding the water that we boiled the beef in, well, pressured the beef in. So in that goes. Full of flavour, you know, loads and loads of flavour in there. Okay, we're going to turn the heat down to not a simmer, but just above a simmer. And we're going to let it go now for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now with this curry, you can have it really nice and wet. You can add more liquid to it. You can even add coconut milk to it, a little splash of coconut milk if you want. I'm not going to today. Or you can have it a little bit drier. It's entirely up to you. I'll be back in about 15 minutes. Let's get this heat down. So we were on a really nice low heat. I've now got it on a maximum heat, really high. And what I'm going to do is just get it to the desired thickness. Like I say, this is good if you want it like that. You can have it more watery if you wanted. I'm just going to steam it out just a little bit more. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some black pepper. Now I'm going to add some coarsely crushed black pepper and a little bit of black pepper powder. To that, I'm just going to add a few more fresh curry leaves. And I'm just going to go now just for maybe 2 more minutes. Check it for salt. But for me, that is beautiful. Nice consistency there. Wonderful. And there you go. So, like I say, with food from Kerala, down in the south, which I said is my favourite region, and there are many regions, of course, in India. My favourite food is from down there. Think black pepper, cardamom, coconut, and coconut. That's wonderful. And like I say, if you wanted, you could put a little bit of coconut milk just at the end, just to kind of thin it out if you wanted. I'm happy with that. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. Please don't forget to subscribe, give us a comment, and hit the bell thing so you get notifications. That's it. See you soon.